opened up your mortgage bill lately and found that your mortgage is significantly higher than it was when you initially bought your property, even though your interest rate is fixed? Well, that literally just happened to me. It looks like my mortgage payment has gone up about $389 a month. See, I have what's called an impound account where my property taxes and insurance is included into my mortgage payment, which gives me one monthly payment opposed to a separate mortgage payment of principal and interest every month, and then 2 large property tax bills every 6 months. Although my principal and interest payments are the same, my taxes have gone up due to county assessments since I bought it. Now, I've only owned the house for about a year and a half, and my mortgage payment has gone up almost $400. So for some, this would actually affect whether they were able to afford to purchase a home or not. Well, I certainly won't be taking this line down, and I'm going straight to the county assessor's office to file something called a Homestead Tax Exemption. Hi, I'm Michelle Lewis with the Michelle Lewis Real Estate Team, and I get calls from people just like you looking to move to the Tri-Valley area, and I absolutely love it. So if you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All of my information is in that description below, and I'd love to help you make that smooth move or help you with any of your real estate needs here in the Tri-Valley area. So welcome to our guide on the Homestead Exemption Tax Relief. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about this program, including what it is, who's eligible, and how it can benefit homeowners like you. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on how to save yourself possibly hundreds of dollars a month. So the Homestead Tax Exemption is a tax relief program designed to help homeowners reduce their property tax burden. It provides an exemption on a property of the assessed value of a property that is considered a primary residence. Now, who is eligible for the Homestead Tax Exemption? Primary residents and owner-occupied. To qualify for the Homestead Tax Exemption, you must meet certain criteria. First, the property must be your primary residence, meaning it's the place where you live and intend to return 1 year away. Second, you must be the owner-occupant of the property, which means you live in the home as opposed to renting it out. Now, what are the benefits of the Homestead Exemption? Well, basically, property tax relief and reduction in assessed value. The Homestead Exemption offers several benefits to eligible homeowners. The primary advantage is the property tax relief. By reducing the assessed value of your property, you pay less in property taxes each year. This can result in significant savings over time. Now, how much can you save with the Homestead Tax Exemption? Well, basically it varies by location and fixed dollar amount or percentage. So the amount of tax savings provided by the Homestead Exemption varies by location. Different jurisdictions may have different rules and regulations regarding the exemption. Some areas provide a fixed dollar amount reduction, while others offer a percentage-based reduction. And it's important to check with your local tax authority or assessor's office to determine the specific savings applicable to your property. In general, the maximum amount of savings is up to $7,000 a year, and that's at least here in Contra Costa County. Now, how can you apply for the Homestead Tax Exemption? Contact local assessor's office and complete required documentation, or visit their website. They'll provide you with the necessary application forms and guide you through the process. Typical documentation required may include proof of residency, such as a utility bill or a driver's license, as well as proof of property ownership like deed or a title. By meeting the eligibility criteria and applying through your local assessor's office, you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your property taxes. To apply for the Homestead Tax Exemption in Contra Costa County, you can follow these steps. Step number 1 is to visit the official website of the Contra Costa County Assessor's Office. Their website is www.contracosta.ca.gov/assessor. Number 2, look for a section related to property taxes or exemptions on the assessor's office website. 3, within that section, search for information specifically about the Homestead Tax Exemption. This exemption is designed to provide property tax relief for homeowners who use their property as their primary residence. Number 4, Review the eligibility criteria and requirements for the homestead tax exemption. Make sure you meet all of the necessary qualifications before proceeding with the application. Number 5, if the assessor's office provides an online application, there should be a link or instructions on how to assess it. Fill out the required forms accurately and provide any supporting documentation as requested. Number 6, if any online application is not available, the website should provide information on where to obtain the physical application forms. You may need to visit the assessor's office in person or request the forms by mail. Number 7, complete the application form, ensuring that you provide all necessary information and supporting documentation, such as proof of residency and property ownership. Number 8, submit the application as instructed on the website. This may involve mailing it to the assessor's office or submitting it in person. Finally, after submitting your application, the assessor's office will review it and determine your eligibility for the homestead tax exemption. If approved, you will receive the appropriate tax relief on your property tax bill. If you encounter any difficulties or require more specific information, I recommend visiting the official Contra Costa County Assessor's Office website or contacting their office directly for assistance. In summary, the Homestead Exemption Tax Relief Program is designed to provide homeowners with property tax relief by reducing the assessed value of their primary residence. If you found this video helpful, then click that like button and shoot me a comment in the comment section, or ask me any questions you may have about your home's assessed value. And be sure to subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to hear about the current market here in the Tri-Valley area. And I'll see you in the next video.